What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to make a matcha green tea lemonade using the new Primal Kitchen matcha collagen keto latte mix. The first thing you're going to do is take about 3 lemons. That should give you about a half cup of lemon juice. You're going to cut them in half. And then you're going to juice them any way you see fit. You can use your hand. If you have a juicer, you can use that. I just picked up this cheap $12 juicer from Grocery Outlet, and I am just going to juice my lemons. Next, you're going to take a jar or a pitcher that you can mix it all up in. This is a 32-ounce mason jar, and I'm just going to add about 1.5 cups of ice, 2 cups of water, my ½ cup of lemon juice, 1 scoop of the matcha collagen keto latte mix, and about 1/4 teaspoon of liquid stevia or some other keto-friendly sweetener. And then I'm just going to mix that all together using a spoon. And that is it. Let me try. Delicious. And if you want to pick up some of the Primal Kitchen matcha collagen keto latte mix, you can head on over to primalkitchen.com, use the code HELLO20, and you'll get yourself 20% off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.